If you have ever wanted or needed to manifest money quickly, then listen up, because in this video, I'm going to show you my famous money manifestation experiment. And the best part is that you will basically see evidence pretty much immediately because it works that fast. And I truly feel like this video might be the thing that finally makes money manifestation click for you. So I cannot wait to share this with you. But really quickly, if you are new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. And my whole channel is all about manifesting the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. And here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And really quickly, before we get into this experiment, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below if you are trying this, so I can cheer you on and see how many people are joining in. So once you do that, let's get right into it. So if you've ever felt like you struggle to manifest money, or like you try to do everything right, but nothing kind of seems to work, I really think that this is going to be a game changer for you. Because what I'm about to show you is not your typical manifestation advice. It's brain-based and practical, and when you do it right, it works really, really fast to give you immediate evidence, which makes things more fun. And I know this because I've done this experiment myself over and over and over again, and the results honestly still get me excited every single time. And here is exactly why and how it works. Because once you understand the science behind it, you're gonna wanna start immediately. So here's kind of where most people get it wrong when it comes to manifesting money. Most people try to manifest money by thinking really hard about having it, or saying affirmations like, I'm rich, or I have so much money. And while I love affirmations and I still use them all the time, those types of affirmations kind of hit a wall pretty quickly. And here's why. Your subconscious mind is not going to accept something that it doesn't really believe is actually true yet. And if you're looking at an empty bank account saying, I am rich, your brain is literally going to push back. It's going to say, no, you're not, look at your account. And that internal conflict is exactly what blocks your manifestation. So the trick and the whole basis of this whole experiment is to actually use a completely different type of affirmation, one that your brain can't argue with. And that's what makes this experiment so powerful. Because instead of telling your brain what you have, you tell your brain what you look for. And those are two completely different things. This uses a very specific part of the brain that I talk about all of the time called the reticular activating system. And if you've been here on my channel for a while, you've definitely heard me talk about this. It makes manifestation so easy. But if you're new here, your reticular activating system is basically a filter located in your brain, and its whole job is to give you evidence of whatever you keep feeding it. And the good news is that it's not something extra you have to do. You are feeding it all day long without even realizing it. I mean, the way I like to explain it is this. Have you ever decided you wanted a new car? Let's say a white Mercedes. And then suddenly you just keep seeing white Mercedes everywhere? Those white Mercedes cars were always there. You just weren't looking for them before. Your brain was filtering it out because it wasn't important to you. And this is exactly what your reticular activating system is doing all of the time. It's pulling your focus to show you evidence of what was on your mind. And believe it or not, it works the same way with money. The problem was you always assumed money was harder to attract, so you never actually tried. And when you're constantly thinking like, I don't have enough money, or money is so hard to make, or I can never manifest money, your reticular activating system goes and finds you evidence of that. It pulls your focus to confirm. See, you're right, there's not enough money. See, you're right, you can never manifest money. See, there's not enough. So what we're going to do with this experiment is to flip that completely. We are going to give your reticular activating system a brand new thing to look for, and that is evidence of money. So here is the affirmation that you're going to use for this experiment. And this part is important. I actually want you to say this out loud or in your mind as I say it right now. So say it with me. No matter what I do, I always see evidence of money showing up in fun and unexpected ways. No matter what I do, I always see evidence of money showing up in fun and unexpected ways. Practice it, you'll get it. And here's the more important part. When you say it, I want you to think of it sort of like you were at dinner with a friend talking about yourself. Something that you're telling them is just so you. Sort of how like when you're at dinner with a friend, you might say something something like, oh, you know me, I'm just always late. Or you know me, I'm always early to everything. Or you know me, I can't function without my coffee. Or you know me, I can't function without my morning run. Do you see where I'm going? Sort of one of those funny, like obvious, oh, that's so me things that you would tell your friend. It's just laughable. That's just who she is. That's just who I am. Say it the same way. You know me. No matter what I do, I always see evidence of money just showing up in fun and unexpected ways. It's just me. But do you notice what is different about that affirmation compared to a typical manifestation one? You're not saying something like, I have all the money in the world, or I have a lot of money. You're saying, I see evidence of money showing up all around me. And that right there is what I call a seeking statement. And your reticular activating system cannot argue with a seeking statement. It just goes to work to give you evidence of it. It starts scanning your environment, pulling your attention, pulling your awareness, and looking for all the evidence of money showing up all around you. And money shows up in so many more ways than people give it credit for. It could be a refund landing in your account. It could be a penny on the ground. It could be a discount code you get in your email. It could be a payment notification or a check in the mail, or maybe even someone buying you lunch or a client reaching out to book something. The key is to stay open to how it shows up, because money flows in so many different forms, and most people miss the evidence because they're not looking for it. This experiment literally trains your brain to start noticing it, and the more your brain notices it, the more your subconscious starts to accept that money flowing to you is just normal. It becomes part of your identity, and when it becomes part of your identity, that right there is when the bigger stuff starts to show up, and show up consistently. So let me quickly walk you through exactly how you're going to kind of structure and run this experiment. So step one is going to be your morning prime. Right when you wake up, before you look at your phone, before you start scrolling, I want you to say the affirmation 3 to 5 times, either out loud or in your mind, whichever feels kind of most natural and most connected for you. No matter what I do, I always see evidence of money showing up in fun and unexpected ways. 3 to 5 times. But here's the key to how you say it, and please do not skip this part. I want you to say it with kind of how I explained before, like an obvious place of certainty. You're not wishing or hoping or desperately wanting it to be true. It feels obvious. Like if someone were to ask you if the sky was blue, you wouldn't say, I hope so. You would look at them like, yes, obviously. Like what kind of question is that? Like, of course the sky is blue. Of course money just shows up for me. That is the feeling I want you to have when you say this affirmation. No matter what I do, I always see evidence of money showing up in fun and unexpected ways. Obviously. Of course it does. That's just how it is for me. And even if you don't fully believe it yet, reach for that with a feeling as much as you can, because that energy of obvious certainty is what actually activates your reticular activating system kind of right away. And step 2 is staying aware throughout your day. And this is honestly where most people kind of drop the ball with this experiment. They say the affirmation in the morning and then they kind of just go on autopilot the rest of the day. But then they get disappointed when they don't notice anything. But the key is you have to stay open and aware. You have to be on the lookout for evidence of money. Be on the lookout for what you stated. It could be money in all forms. Even if it feels tiny, acknowledge it. Even if it's just a penny on the ground, I want you to say in your mind, oh, there it is. That's just who I am. That's just what happens for me. Because every single time you spot the evidence and you acknowledge it, you are reinforcing the neural pathway. You are essentially telling your brain, yes, that, more of that, please. And your brain responds by showing you more. That is literally how the reticular activating system works. Feed it something, it finds you more of it. And step 3 is your nighttime prime. Right before you go to sleep, just say the affirmation again 3 to 5 times. No matter what I do, I always see evidence of money showing up in fun and unexpected ways. Same feeling, neutral, obvious certainty, no forcing, no desperation. And this step is especially powerful because your subconscious mind is incredibly active right before sleep and during sleep. And when your conscious mind winds down, your subconscious mind kind of kicks into high gear. It processes and consolidates and programs. So whatever you feed it right before sleep is what it's going to start working on all night long. And this is literally why so many people who do this experiment wake up the very next morning and something might have already shifted. Maybe a notification pops up or an email comes in or something unexpected shows up seemingly out of nowhere. It's because their brain was primed and working on it all night long. And like I said, this experiment works fast, so get ready for it. Now, there are two things that you can do to actually really boost and amplify this and maybe even speed up the process. And number one is to use the 24-hour money experiment subliminal. The best part is that you just press play while going about your day. It works in the background to program your subconscious mind while you're busy doing other things. I absolutely love subliminals because you can basically multitask. I mean, if you think of it this way, you're already going to either work or do chores or exercise or walk the dog, so all you have to do is just press play while you do it. It requires no effort at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that subliminal up here, and I'll also link it down below for you. And option two that I wanna share with you is my brand new 7-day abundance reset. This is my newest program and I'm so proud of it. And the results that people have been experiencing inside this program have been insane. How it works is that each day for 7 days, there's a quick audio to listen to, an experiment to practice, and some journal prompts. And after the end of 7 days, you will feel and notice a massive shift. It's still right now on a pre-sale bonus, so go ahead and grab it while you can before the doors close. I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here, and I'll also link it down below. And there's one last thing I want to address, one thing that I see kind of trip people up with this experiment, so I want you to notice it before it happens to you. And that is doing this experiment from a place of need or desperation. Because if you're saying this affirmation while internally feeling like, I really need money, why isn't it here yet? I really hope this works, this better work, I need it to work. It's going to slow this whole thing down. And I don't want that to happen for you. Because when you're in that stressed, forcing, needy energy, your brain goes into this really kind of crazy survival mode. And in that mode, it's scanning for problems, not possibilities. So the goal is to be neutral, relaxed, expectant. You can even think about it this way. If someone told you a package was being delivered to your house today, you wouldn't sit by the door all day anxiously willing it to get there faster. You knew the evidence of it coming was on the way, so you go about your day like normal. Be in that same energy with money. Knowing it's coming, go about your day, expect it to show up, and then stay open to when it arrives. I genuinely cannot wait to hear your results from this experiment. And one more free resource I want to make sure you have. Please do yourself a favor and grab my free money mindset workbook. I'm going to go ahead and link it up here, and I'll also link it down below. Tens of thousands of people have used this workbook with incredible results. There's different experiments to try. There's journaling prompts. There is so many things inside of that workbook. This will clear decades of money blocks. It's completely free, so grab your copy. After you finish this experiment, please come back, leave me a comment, let me know what came up for you. I would truly love to hear your results. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.